List of tools: electric drill, hammer, level, screwdriver. Step 1. Drill 2 holes on the wall, the size of the wall anchors. Step 2. Insert the wall anchors into the holes. Step 3. Screw the wall bracket to the wall. It might come assembled with the rest of the light. Step 4. Mount the light to its brackets. Step 5. If required, connect the light to the mains power. Most security lights come with a motion sensor. There is the option to buy separate light and sensor. Kits are available with a solar panel. These do not require external power. Most important places to illuminate are near windows and doors.